Landslide. C, G over B, A minor 7, G over B, C, and then just repeating that through the majority of the song. At the point that it transitions to the G chord progression, we leave this A minor, and then we go to a D over F sharp. And the way that we do it from an A minor 7 is by bringing the middle finger up to the low E string. The third finger is going to also go on the second fret relative to the capo on the G string, and the pinky will go on the B string in the third fret. There's your D. You can see a little bit of what we got for a D here over F sharp. And then we go to a G. I usually call it a G5 just because we have that extra 5 there covering up the B, which is a third, with a D, which is a 5, all still notes in the triad. But there's your G. Then here's another way to get to a D over F sharp. This time it's all about where you're coming from, where you're going to. So this is how we accomplish a D over F sharp here. Technically a D suspended fourth over F sharp. We may not hit this string every single time, but there's a couple times where we'll tag with our third finger in our right hand, tag that high E string. And then we just close the gap on these two fingers here, bringing them together. First finger coming down one to the A string, second one coming up one string to the D string, and there's your E minor 7. And then it goes to the C, G over B, A minor 7, there's your D over F sharp, and then the G, D over F sharp, E minor 7, C again, D, G over B, A minor 7, and then it goes right back into the chord progression. So, and here's the finger picking. So those are the parts to it, and we'll of course put it together a little bit later, but that is what we're looking at for the meat of this song.